Apollo, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, boy? Hey. What are you doing? Why you want to go there? It's nothing over there. Oh, nothing. Come out. Naughty, come here. I said get out. Both of you, get out. Naughty. Get out. Why you're answering me? They're such a naughty today. Every cabinet they're opening. Oh my God, it's too cold. Okay guys, thank you for watching my two naughty kids.